This morning, Leo does not feel well.
His head hurts and his throat hurts too. Oh no, Leo, to the doctor today. The doctor? I don't want to go to the doctor. Emma, do doctors use big needles? Leo, the doctor just wants to help you feel better. But what if it hurts? Then you can hold my hand. Come on.
Emma and Leo wait in the waiting room. Leo sees something interesting.
Emma, there are fish here.
Yes, Leo, please sit down. Doctor will call us soon.
But the fish are really cool.
Hello, I am Dr. Kim.
And you must be Leo.
Do you like fish? Do you like fish?
How did you know?
Everyone loves our fish tank. Good. Now take a big breath in.
And out.
Is it bad? Am I okay? You are going to be perfectly fine, Leo. Leo has a cold. He needs to rest, drink a lot of water, and take this medicine.
How many times a day?
2 times a day, morning and night.
Is the medicine sweet?
Yes, Leo, don't worry.
Emma, I was very brave. Did you see?
This sticker is for you, Leo.
A sticker! I love stickers!
Get well soon, Leo. Goodbye.
Okay, Leo, here is your water and your medicine. Thank you, Emma. Leo feels better, sweet. He learns new words today. Doctor,